Okay then, so we're having a good day out. We're in the redwoods, Rotorua. It's a beautiful day, and this is the second run of the day. Ahi Manawa, grade 5, 2.5k. It's a long time since I've ridden this. We're right over on the eastern side of the woods, and it feels like quite a long way over here. It's a long way back, so the only way back is up Marangi Road really, if we're going to do any more riding today, which we are. Wow. It is good this though, I remember how good this is. That's my back brake making a noise. Hope my brake pad's right. Got a set of spares with me though, so it's okay. Oh yeah! Oh, that was funny. A bit hucky this, isn't it? Riding this pretty blind. I've ridden over that before, that's right. There's a huck over that log. That's the racing line, that's pretty scary. If you clipped your back wheel, you just get boosted into oblivion at the front door. Yeah. Whoa. Here we go. This is making me pay attention. Sniper route there, grabbing the front wheel. I think I've rolled my back tyre a little bit, it's feeling a bit low. I'll have to put some air in that in a bit. High on the roots, good. Wow. That's all cut away, that was difficult. Oh, wasn't on the right line there. Good. Steep corners, free gullied through here. Good. Through there okay. Awkward little nadgery section that can kill all your speed. Corner coming up. Yeah, not huge amounts of flow. We're getting through nice and clean and safely. Up and over. Right here, down. Looking road. I'm going to follow this. The second section, I think. That's good. That's good riding. It's really good riding. Yeah, beautiful day. Hope this shows up on the video just how nice a day it is. It's beautifully cool in the woods here. Sun's out. Going from light to dark can be quite challenging though. That's definitely been a little bit of an issue. This very bright light and these dark shadows can make some features difficult to see. pinchy climb. Make me work, keep me honest. Right down the guts, right down the hole. Well, that wasn't the smoothest line. Up and over. Oh, that wasn't the smoothest line either. Didn't feel like I had enough speed for the little huck over the roots. Oh, yeah, definitely a little bit more air in my back tyre. Where's this going? Lots of last minute decisions about whether to huck or drop. Up and over the roots. Oh, that's good. Good. Well, what they say, it's constantly interesting. Oh, I should have hucked and drop. Damn. Oh, a little huck there I should have missed. No worries, just riding what I can see. There's nothing wrong with that. Okay, cool. Hey, how you doing? So there's one last short section there, but that's closed. Now I'm going to have to go back and find Moringi Road to haul our asses all the way to the top of there. Oh well, good job. If you like this video, like it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, some more Rotorua riding to come. See you next time.